Hey guys, are you still using Developer Console to export Salesforce object data? Let me show you an easy Chrome extension tool to query the Salesforce data easily and quickly. So let's go to Chrome Web Store and install the extension called Salesforce Inspector Reloaded. Just click on Add to Chrome, add this extension. Once this extension is downloaded and installed, just go back to your Salesforce screen, refresh, and you will be able to see icons added onto the screen on the right side. Just click on it and it will have a lot of features. So the one which we want to explore today is that is data export. Just click on data export. It will open in a new screen. So you can just click se- select ID from contact. It will already suggest you different object names with this search term, and you can also see what are all the fields available in this object for querying. I can just hit run export. It will give the quick results, and there are multiple options to export this data in an easy way, Excel, or you can download it as a CSV, JSON. There are multiple things, and you can go to a new tab without losing your query. You can go and query on a new object altogether, and then you have a features to save this query, and you can label this my account, and I can save this query so that next time when I reach I can just select my query and I can export this.